Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use virtual number for ChatGPT. So at first, just go to your Chrome browser. Now in the search bar, search for free phone number verification for ChatGPT. And after that, you can just go to any of these websites. I'm just going to this one. And after going here, just scroll down, and here you can see you can just get a virtual number from here. You need to select the country. It's like I'm choosing Australia, and you need to choose the number type. I'm choosing mobile, and after that just click on search. Now here you can see there are a lot of numbers here. You can just choose any of this number for the verification. So guys, that's how you can use virtual number for ChatGPT. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.